Hey, what's going on guys, Pog here and welcome to another Pogado video. Today I will be heading down to Canadian Tire to pick up a dash cam because as you guys can know, my dash cam is not the fanciest looking. So like whenever, I put the part of the dash cam in the video vlog, it just doesn't work out together. So there's this awesome looking one on sale and we're gonna go pick that up. Alright, so I'm here at Canadian Tire. Let's go check it out. So here's the one. 2K QHD. This stuff apparently gives you like built-in front collision warning. Interesting. Definitely something I like to test out. But yeah, so it's on sale for $120. So let's pick it up. Alright, just picked up two of them. Let's go get something to eat. And here we are. So obviously this is the front of the packaging. We have the front of the camera, the back of the camera, and all this other stuff. But where it shows us the most of the features is actually when we turn it to the back. Alright guys, I just want to show you a quick setup of how it looks inside the car. So looking at the dash cam, as you guys can see, I no longer have a cable that's kind of dropping from the center of the windshield all the way to the cigarette lighter over there. So what I did is I run the wire all the way from the back of the rear view mirror and then the headliner, and it comes to the A-pillar all the way to the dash there, kind of comes around like this, and then it also drops down like that under the glove box. Then it comes up here into the cigarette lighter. So the thing I really hate about this dash cam is this power cable that it comes with. It has this power supply that I had to use double-sided tape to mount it to the windshield. And then it has this thing, I'm not too sure what it's called. Please let me know in the comments below if you know what that is. But yeah, so it just makes this awkward setup that just no longer looks as clean as I like. Alright guys, so after driving the vehicle at night for about an hour, I'm finally home. and I decided to also take it to an area where there wasn't a lot of lighting, so that, you know, I could do a test comparison between the 1080p resolution as well as the 1440p. So let me know, guys, what you think about the resolution differences at night, such as 1440p versus the 1080p. As much as I like the video quality of this dash cam, I'm not as happy about the power cord that it comes with. Let me know, guys, again, what do you think? But I do have like this return feeling in my head that I might be returning it for something else on Amazon, example. So let me know, guys, what do you think? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.